greatest leader of this century, greatest player, the person who's fit even today when he has left cricket for a long time, but the the flexible person on the ground, off the ground. And I'm really honored to be here in sharing the days with him. I never expected that such a big person will come to our village and he will share a moment. Not only that, he's waited for my arrival, and I'm sorry, sir, for keep you delaying for that, but you are there for cricket. We are all for cricket, and I was there on some other fields for the cricket only. आणि आमचे भितर आसात आमचे तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे लाडके आमदार बुमानीस एल्टन डिकॉस्टा, तशेंच निळूबाब, तशेंच आविक, आमचे परेश, अँड ऑल दी स्वराज स्पोर्ट्स क्लब. I congratulate and compliment and appreciate all the efforts taken by this Swaraj team. Swaraj is independence, and you work independently, different department, handle different departments and differently, and this is the result, because this is not a day or a day-long tournament. This is going on for a month, I believe, and this is the best format that you have presented here in Goa. When we look around, there are tournaments happening for a day. There are tournaments with 3 overs, 3 balls also. The final, sometimes you have to come out with 3 balls. What will you, present your talent. Even if you are a greatest cricketer, you may not be able to perform within 3 balls. And then the results. Results may be anything. This is the best kind of format that you have presented, because T20 is really shape up your cricket talent. This is the format that we need to carry on.
In fact, in my last 4 years as MLA, I think today I've attended a lot of tournaments, lot of places, but to have a legend like you and to speak a few words, I think it's a big honor for me to be here, sir. Though I'm not much into sports, but for you to be here and to speak in front of you, it's a big honor. Dear friends, what sir has said is that sports is not only a game. It teaches you discipline. It is your physique, and most important, what sir has said is that you have to be humble. When we have a little bit of talent in us, when we score a 50, we fly. We don't remember what we are. That is what, in fact, I think sir wanted to tell us. You have to be grounded. You have to be humble. And only when you are humble, you are grounded, you further take a step ahead. So, Sabaski to the entire club, Swaraj Sports and Cultural Club. I think so. This is my second year to be here for the finals. And this time it is special since sir is here. All the best. Congratulations to the winning team. Congratulations to the runners-up. All the best. Keep it up. Might be the next time you'll be the winners.
And from my childhood days, my father was a school teacher and a principal, but always a sports coach. So sport is a big part of my life, and cricket has taught me so many important lessons. And there's one that is very important. We need to dream big. Yes, we want to get a century, a 50, we want to win the cup, we want to win the tournament. But how do you win a game? How do you score a century? Not all at one go, one ball at a time. So while we dream big, we must live small and focus on every day what's in front of you. The biggest thing about that is that it means you're not just thinking about your own performance, your 100, your victory, but your teammates who are so important. How can you contribute to their success? Because that's the key element of teamwork. We all work for each other. Okay, so dream big. Congratulations to the team winning today. But remember, live small. Like we're facing one ball at a time. If you score 100, it's one ball at a time, right? It's not in one go. Okay, so thank you very much for having me. It's good to be back in my home state of Goa. Hey, thank you. I'm quite a smart guy. I've picked to live in Agonda Beach, so I'm smarter than I look. But thank you very much. It's amazing to see the game. I'm still passionate about it. It's great to see that the passion for cricket is all across India, as we know. And thanks for having me here this evening, everybody. Thank you. And well done to everybody, the committee especially, and to all the family for the support. Thank you.